Okay, so we got this situation. In how many ways 10 different balls can be put in two different boxes? Okay, so suppose that we have B1, B2, B3, B10. So there is 10 different balls. Okay, now suppose that there is two box. Okay, D1 and D2. Okay, so you can consider this question as letterbox problem. Okay, letter and letterbox. Like, look at this required number. So suppose that you handpicked this ball. So you can put this ball into how many? You will put this ball in only one box only, but corresponding to this ball you have how many choices? You can go to bag number D1 or you can go with bag number 2 D2. So for this ball you have two choices, correct? Is your task completed? No, you have to put 10 different balls. Okay, so you put only one ball. Now go to ball number 2. So corresponding to ball number 2, you have how many choices? 2. Because there is no such restriction that you cannot put more than one ball in a bag. Okay, so any number of ball can be put into any bag. Okay, so corresponding to bag number 2, there are two choices. Now focus on bag ball number 3. Again two choices. So it is 2 2 2, keep on going. Okay, so you know that there are 10 balls, so it is 2 power 10. You can handle a similar situation with letter and letter box. Suppose that you have 10 different letters that you have to put into two letter box. Okay, so the answer will be this way only. I hope things are clear.